gents, my billet main caps from Billet Speed Works finally arrived. So we're gonna unbox those, see what they look like right now. Okay, hopefully you guys can see okay. Just in my office here at work, sorry for the bad lighting. Made in the US of A. Billet Speed Works. All the stickers. Lots of paper. This is a heavy box. Just so you guys know, the shipping weight on this was just over 5 kilos. So there is some weight here. Well, they definitely look like they're worth the money, that's for sure. Can't wait to pull that motor now. This is the last thing I needed. Really hate waiting on parts, but you know, it is what it is. COVID's affected everything. Made shipping horrendous. Well, the guys at Billet Speed Works really know what's up. Crazy. So if you guys need some, definitely send them an email or a message on Facebook or their Instagram page. I know I bought the last set that they had a while back, but I was talking to the owner and they said they will have more in stock and ready to go right away. Nice. The thrust washers. Ooh, a little sharp. Danger. Right on. Well, that's it, gents. Those are the billet mains. Next step, pull that motor. And I guess we'll take it over to the machine shop and have it line bored and honed for these. And we'll take you along on that journey. First things first though, we gotta pull the motor. So that's probably gonna be the next video. Thanks for checking these out with me. They look awesome. Absolutely recommend a set. If you plan to build a 7M north of 800 or even 750 and you want the peace of mind, I strongly recommend you get a set for yourself. I believe they were $600 and change US. So if you're buying from Canada like me, you're probably going to spend north of $1,000 by the time they get to you. But you know, what's your engine worth to you? Okay, cheers, gents. See ya.